Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a Lego emoji decoration. So these are the pieces we will need for this build. So first we need to get this big white plate and then get these two long white tiles and attach them over here on the top. And then you can get these two red tiles, 1x2 tiles, put them here, and get this 1x4 tile and put it in the middle. These two are the eyes, and then get this 2x6 piece tile and put it like this. These two are the cheeks. Now get these two 1x6 tiles and snap them on under the eyes and between the cheeks like this. Then you should get this piece, this 1x3 piece, and attach it right over here, and do the same on the other side. Get a 1x4 tile and put it here and here. Your build should look like this right now. And then get this 2x2 tile and put it here. This is the mustache. And then get this long piece, black piece, put it over there, and also put this 2x4 tile over here. Then flip it over, get this 2x4 piece, put it there, and get these 1x5 plates and snap them right over here. And then you can get this 1x6 plate, put it here, and snap the 1x6 tile right on top of it. This is the forehead that we just completed. And then over here, this white space is his mouth. And then we can put these two 1x4 plates over here and over here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.